Hi guys, in this lesson I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail SMTP, okay? So why do we need Gmail SMTP? Is that so we can receive order notifications from the online store, okay? Because later I will teach you how to create an online store, okay? And when somebody buys something, then you will get an email, okay? So this is how we will get our email. Also, so we can receive emails from the contact form. Okay? So first we need to install WP Mail SMTP plugin. Okay? And then we need a Gmail account. So if you don't have a Gmail account, I suggest you create one. Anyway, it's just free, so please create your free Gmail account. Alright? So now let's go to the lesson. Okay? So first, let's go back to the dashboard and then go to plugins and then click add new. Okay, so let's go to the search box and type WP Mail SMTP. Okay, it's still searching. Okay, so this is WP Mail SMTP by WP Forms. Okay, so click install now. Alright, so once it's installed, please click activate. Okay, so once that's activated, let's scroll down and go to settings. Okay, please go to settings and then click WP Mail SMTP. Okay, so it's found at the very bottom here. Okay, all right, so you put your email from email and then the name from name of the business, okay, or your website. And then let's go in the mailer section, click Google or Gmail. Okay, and then let's scroll down. And then you can see here on the Gmail section, it says read our Gmail documentation. Okay, so you can see the Gmail documentation, it's color blue. Okay, so this is a link. So let's open this Gmail documentation in a new tab. Okay, so now this is the Gmail documentation. Okay, so let's scroll down and then go to step 2. Okay, you will see here step 2, create a web application. And you will see here there's a red link. It says sign in and access Gmail applications registration. So let's just open this link in a new tab. Okay, so it will go to our Gmail account. So we need to choose a Gmail account and then sign in. Okay, so it will sign into your Gmail account. Okay, so now click continue. Okay, make sure that it says create a project. Okay, and then click continue. Okay, so now click go to credentials. Okay, so it says which API are you using. Okay, so the answer is Gmail API, so just leave it like that. And then where will you be calling the API from? Okay, so click choose and then choose web server. Okay, web server egnode.js tomcat. Okay, so just choose that. And then what data will you be accessing? So click user data and then click what credentials do I need. Okay, so just click this. Okay, so now it says add credentials to your project. Okay, so there's a blank here and says authorized JavaScript origins. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to copy our domain. Okay, which is digitalbooks.club. So let's just paste that here. So it should be http digitalbooks.club. Okay, and then here there's authorized redirect URIs. Okay, so let's go back here to WP Mail SMTP. Okay, and then scroll all the way down and then you will see here authorized redirect URI. So just copy that. Okay, let's copy that and then paste it here. Okay, and then click create client ID. Okay, so it will say here set up the OAuth 2.0 consent screen, and then there's your email address, and then type the product name. So you can put your website name here or product name. Okay, so click here, click continue. Okay, so you can see here the download credentials, client ID. Okay, so click here, I'll do this later. Okay, click here, I'll do this later. Okay, so now you can see here web client 1. So just click this box and then click this pencil icon, okay, that says edit OAuth client. Okay, so click this pencil icon, and then it will show your client ID and client secret. Okay, so just copy the client ID and then paste it here, and then copy the client secret and then paste it here. Okay, and then click save settings. Okay, so it says settings were successfully saved. Now you need to do is scroll all the way down, and then here on the authorized section, okay, you need to click allow plugin to send emails using your Google account. Okay, so you need to click this button. Okay, and then you need to open your Gmail account, and then it will say here this app isn't verified. Okay, so go here, click on the advanced, click the advanced, and then it will say go to digitalbooks.club. Okay, or whatever your website is. Okay, it will say go to your website. Okay, in this case it will say go to digitalbooks.club, so let's just click that. Okay, and it will say hi Emily, and then you'll click allow. Okay, you'll say send email on your behalf, so click allow. Okay, so now it says you have successfully linked the current site with your Google API project. Now you can start sending emails through Google. Okay, so here on top you'll see settings, and you will see email test. So click email test. Okay, click email test. Okay, so we will test if we can receive the emails. Okay, so put your email address here and then click send email. Okay, so now let's open our email and let's see if we received the email. Okay, so here there's an email. Okay, WP mail SMTP test email. So it means it is successful. Okay, so see you in the next video. So you need to receive a test email. Okay,